When you start meditating, eventually you begin to notice that some power is taking care of you. If you think something from your heart, you see that even impossible things are becoming possible now, as if somebody is listening to your wishes and completing them. I don't know whether you believe this or not, but this is the fact. Meditation calms you down and relieves you of all the stress. It increases the gray matter in your brain, making you sharper and more efficient. People who are confused tend to gain self-awareness and make better decisions. Students will have increased imagination and creativity. Adults will see a spike in their patience and tolerance. Individuals who get provoked easily will notice a downfall in their anger. Patients with anxiety and depression obtain peace of mind by focusing on the present. Hypertension is also reduced. Insomniacs will get good quality sleep. And the list goes on and on. In other words, no matter what your age is, meditation has something or the other to offer you. It is a way of life, and once you begin to experience its benefits, there is no going back. It is true that no one can change your destiny, and whatever is meant to be will be. But what you can change is how you deal with challenging situations. Mindfulness can make you positive in approach, motivated from within, and fearless of all circumstances. Living a life full of peace, satisfaction, and inner happiness sounds so complete in itself. I am sure that nobody will like to miss it. Therefore, say goodbye to your excuses and give this a try. You will get plenty of tutorials on the internet, and few videos linked below on how to start meditating. Check out those videos to know more.